Hi, happy Friday afternoon, first day of spring. It's quite warm outside, a little humid. Not the best day to be outside though. So, today, what I'm going to do for our Friday afternoon activity is a little science experiment. And my friends that have been in science club um, are familiar with it, talking about mixing solutions and things and how things interact. Sorry, of course, I have a cat here. This one. I should probably lock him up because when I did the soap thing the other day with the pepper water, one of the takes he jumped up and, knocked pepper water all over my kitchen that I had just cleaned. I was very pleased. Anywho, so today what we're going to use is we're going to use vinegar, which is an acid. Vinegar looks a lot like water, okay, but it has a smell. When a scientist smells, they never take it and inhale and smell like sniff in like they're smelling flowers. Okay, a scientist wafts. Now I'm gonna pour first, and then I'll show you. Okay, so I've got a cup of vinegar that I put in here. Okay, all right. When the scientist smells, they do something like this. And it kind of takes a little bit of it and pulls it closer to you. Because you don't know what a chemical is. You don't want to inhale it. Okay? Especially if you don't know what it is. And in the science lab, there could be a lot of chemicals there. So when I'm doing this experiment, I added a cup of vinegar to this cup. Okay? I also feel the need to say I'm doing this in a pan, because it has edges, in case this reaction gets a bit too big. So I'll pull it up so you can kind of see. I'm going to take a tablespoon of baking soda. I'm going to pull this up just a little bit, okay? Baking soda, of course, anything you do, make sure you ask for a grown-up. And that's how I'm filling it in a pan, something like a bucket of some kind. Yeah, do it inside there. You don't need a lot to get the reaction, okay? I'm doing a tablespoon with a cup of vinegar, okay? We'll watch it happen, and then I'll explain what happened. So I'm gonna kind of let this go down so you can see. You can kind of tell I'm hunched over. Here I add. Please fit. Yes. Okay. Can you hear the fizzing? Yes. What the fizzing is, it's just like the fizzing in a can of soda, okay? Carbon dioxide, the air that we breathe out, okay? What's happening is the protons are switching from, I think the baking soda is giving it to the vinegar, and it's causing a reaction. It's making two new substances. One of the byproducts or side effects is it makes that carbon dioxide, like the stuff that you have in soda. Would I drink this? Absolutely not, and neither should you, okay? Well, why would I do this? This is how those Visco girls are supposed to clean their stainless steel cups, what are they called? Hydro flask. Because soap and water, it's hard to get out of there once it's in there. You're supposed to put some vinegar, baking soda, let this happen and kind of let it stew in there, especially if you have a stain, like if you're using a stainless steel cup for coffee, like I do, okay? And you let it sit in there for a little while, and then you rinse it clean. You want to rinse it several times. Next week, I'm going to try to work with you on some seeds. So what I would do is, as you eat things that have seeds, like some apple seeds. Mr. Forbes had apples yesterday, and I stole the seeds. But I'm going to be collecting seeds for the next couple days. Next week, we're going to look at seeds, and we're going to try to break them apart. Maybe even try to plant some seeds, because it is spring, okay? Don't want to plant seeds outdoors yet, but we'll talk about that next week. All right, well, ladies and gents, have a good weekend. Take care of yourself, stay safe, wash your hands, practice social distancing. Maybe have a pajama day. That sounds amazing, doesn't it? Okay. All right. I will see you later. And in response to Mr. Dixon's thing on class day, I don't think you need to see me silly. I think you see me silly every day and are continuing to. All right, guys. Bye.